Hello everyone. So today we are going to demonstrate about real-time case study on API testing using the Postman. So today in the modern web application, API plays a crucial role in communicating between the front end and the back end. So before doing that, before the integration, the foremost thing we need to do is the testing. So testing is the main option, main process we need to do. So here our students are going to demonstrate about the process of the code operation, which is nothing but create, read, update and delete. So let's begin with the students.
Okay. Hello everyone. Today we are going to first talk about testing and user management API using a powerful tool called Postman. Postman is a powerful tool today used for user management API testing. So first, why we need to test this user management API? So the first is to ensure that the API provides the correct answer for every request the user sends. And the second is it handles the error properly. That means it provides a clear error message and graceful error message when an error occurs instead of crashing the whole system. And the third one is it helps in maintaining the overall student management API. So there are mainly four steps, four things we do in four operations we do in this testing. So they are called proved operations, which denotes create, read, and update and delete. So it will be explained by my class.
So hello all, I am going to demonstrate about the GET request. So I am using a Postman to send a request to the endpoint, which will be look like a get/user. I select the get method and click send. So here we can see the response that the status code is 200, which means it run as success. The response body contains a list of users. This confirms the API key successfully retrieving the data from the server.
Okay, I am going to demonstrate the post request in Postman. The post request is mean by post request is used to insert a new data into a database or a collection. For that, I am going to use the endpoint slash users. First of all, go to the Postman and type the slash users with the URL. Then click the post request. Then for the post request, we want to insert the data so that the data will be inserted in the body and select raw. Then select JSON for best pretty data insertion method. After entering the data, you can simply click the send button so that the response will came as successfully created 201. 201 is used for the successful indication. You can also check it in the console. Then move to the database. Then check whether the data has been inserted in the database.
Now I demonstrate about put and patch method. Put method is used to update the whole data in a block of data, and patch method is used to update a particular field in the data, like email dot change another email. Now I hand over to Steve.
So I am going to explain about the delete command in the CRUD operations. From the delete operation at the endpoint, we are making the delete and backslash, where users database is main keyword is users slash first record of the column. So first record we are deleting. So the first represents 1, and we are deleting the particular one column data of the CRUD operations and in the database. So next will be followed by Anitra.
Now I'm going to explain about error handling. In error handling, if we send we use post for requesting to the server. If we send empty field, it shows 400 error. Now we can assume that the API is working properly, and
the error handling is done properly. So in conclusion, we saw about the code operations and we saw about the request and response and the error handling.